Hey everyone, today we are here with yet another video of the Agentic ATS. Now, we have already seen in the last video how you can schedule calls directly with a simple prompt. Now, this is when recruiters have already called the candidate and they know the availability of the candidate and they want to actually schedule the invite. The second use case is a use case something like Calendly, right? You want to just send out a link to the candidate saying that, okay, this is the link, go ahead and book your own slot which is convenient to you. So I'll be showcasing that today in this video, and let's see how we can do this for this candidate. One way to do that is open the job, open the candidate application, open the round you want to schedule, click on schedule interview and send the self-scheduling links. The agentic way is now you just bring up the ATS agent and let's try voice prompt this time. Send a self-scheduling link to Deepak Sharma for on-site round with me. I want to take interviews only in 3 to 6 p.m. IST. Right, so this is done. Let's hit enter. Once we see that, we'll be able to see what kind of information. As you can see here, it automatically understood this is the candidate that we are talking about. This is more of a confirmation screen. You can still change it at any point in time in case let's say there are multiple Deepak Sharmas in the account. It understood me as in Raj. It understood the round, it understood the duration and other things. You can also change the duration if you want to. If everything is looking good, all you have to do is click on this and the self-scheduling is done, right? So this is for recruiters who are doing this day in, day out for 10, 20, 30 candidates a day. Let's quickly verify this. Once we open the candidate application page again, we can see the timeline. Now this is the timeline where you can see the complete activity history of all the emails, all the state transitions, all the calls that were scheduled and so on. Here, as you see, this is the email that we just sent to send the self-scheduling link. As you see here, the candidate can see all the slots. This is exactly like Calendly experience. And if you see here, all the slots which are in 3 to 6, since I had explicitly mentioned that I only want to take interviews in this. Even with this, since your Google or Outlook calendar is also synced, the meeting overlaps are not shown in this calendar slots at all. So if you see 4 to 5 is not shown here because there might be a meeting slot for the panel here. The candidate can just select, let's say 5 to 6, do this and the call is scheduled automatically. Now let's just verify if the interview is already scheduled. On-site round with me on 29th April 5 p.m. It's already done, right? So the calendar invite and the meeting link is automatically sent here. So yeah, this is how Agentic ATS can take off all the tactical work that recruiters do manually today. And we already saw multiple use cases, emailing, scheduling and self-scheduling links and so on. We'll be posting more such videos based on the use cases that we implement here. And would love to know your feedback on the comments down below, and would love to connect in case you want to implement this in your organization. Right? Thank you and have a nice day.